Hello, good morning. So, dito po tayo ngayon sa HQ na. Ngayon, meron pong nag-message sa video natin, yung Ford Ranger XL, which is ito po, nung papunta tayo sa bundok. Then, nakita ni Sir Gabriel Reyes. So, shout out kay Sir Gabriel. Nakita niya yung oil change required na indication. Pero ang Ranger po kasi na ito na change oil na, and then hindi siguro na i-reset, so lumabas yung change oil required message niya. Ngayon meron siyang tinuro, and ito po ang medyo kwan sa atin, hindi ko po galing magbasa ng manual. And then since owner din siya ng XL, so sundin po natin yung recommendation na sinabi niya. Okay. Okay. So, lagyan natin yung susi. So, sabi niya ilagay daw sa ignition. So, which is ito po. Okay. Sa ignition tayo. And then sabi niya, hello sir, ko XL owner po, to reset the oil change required for oil life, lagay po sa ignition, then punta po kayo sa vehicle maintenance, sa infotainment, sa screen, then sa oil life, tapos sabay tapak brakes and accelerator for about 20 seconds, mag-reset po yan. Okay? So, para isama ko lang po, pakita po natin yung driver. Okay? Yun po, yung oil change required. Okay? So, since nakalagay na po yan sa position ng accessory, ilagay lang po sa ignition muna. And then, punta raw po sa maintenance page sa infotainment. Okay, and kahit ito po, bibihira ko pong ginalaw. So, pag-aralan po natin together. Okay. Pag ako po kasi ang nagmamaneho, bibihira pong gumagamit ako ng infotainment, and ginagamit ko lang po yung phone o kaya yung tablet para sa kuha natin sa maps natin. So hahanapin ko lang po kung nasaan, under vehicle kaya yun, vehicle onboard lighting. Okay, hindi po channel temperature, measurement, reset, clock. Ay, sorry. No. So, settings. Oops. Driver, general, software. Aha. Hindi po sa vehicle, general, sync software, reset. Galing na po tayo rito kanina. Vehicle. Maintenance, owner's manual. Media, Apple CarPlay, radio, categories, general, auto maps. Ayan. So ito pa, vehicle care and maintenance. Okay, and then maintenance. Okay, maintenance precautions. Okay, checking coolant. Ay, pumunta naman po yata ito sa search na lang natin. Maintenance. Ito kaya ang ibig sabihin nisa. Search general maintenance information, maintenance precautions. Okay. Ito sa engine oil. Okay, sorry po. So under maintenance, engine oil dipstick, checking the engine oil level, and then engine oil life. What is the engine oil change reminder? Resetting the intelligent oil life monitor. So if equipped, let's see, resetting the intelligent oil life monitor if equipped. Only reset the oil life monitoring system after changing the oil. Okay, press the menu button on the screen wheel to enter the instrument cluster display. Select vehicle maintenance, select oil life, press and hold the OK button until the system reset confirmation appears. Okay. So subukan po muna natin yung sabi ni sir, pero meron po palang other procedure. So pupunta naman dito sa instrument, pero subukan po muna natin yung sabi ni sir na tapak ng brakes and accelerator for about 20 seconds. Okay, so subukan po natin ito. Okay, so now 20 seconds ng brakes and accelerator. Okay, brakes and accelerator 20 seconds. 1 2 3 4 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So let's see. Okay, seatbelt okay, oil change required. Okay. So medyo lumabas pa rin po. So ulitin natin. Okay, ignition, accessory. Okay. Lumalabas pa rin, Sir Gab. So subukan po natin, baka hindi ko masyadong nasundan yung ibig nyong sabihin sa. Okay. So ngayon sundan ko po ulit itong sabi naman dito, resetting the intelligent oil life monitor. Only reset the oil. Okay. So press the menu button on the steering wheel to enter the instrument cluster. Okay, press the menu button. Ito po ang menu button. Okay, and then select vehicle maintenance. Select vehicle maintenance. Ayun po. And then press select oil life. Okay, 0 sabi niya. Select. And then press and hold the OK button until the system reset confirmation appears. Press and hold the OK button until the system reset confirmation appears. Okay, press and hold daw po. Okay, press and hold. Okay, medyo press and hold the OK button until the system reset confirmation appears. So reset system confirmation appears. So wala naman pong lumalabas. Parang medyo ang tagal po yata. Don't know kung normal po ito. Okay, binitawan ko na po, medyo matagal. Ulitin ko. Wala rin po. So check ko kung kailangan nakaandar po. So paandarin po natin. So So first, tignan po muna natin kung lalabas pa rin yung way na naituro ni Sir Gab. Wala muna tayo rito. So fuel economy. So pag na-on na po, hindi ko alam kung kailan lalabas ulit yung oil change. So nawala naman na po. Okay, so ngayon balik tayo dito sa menu. Okay, sa menu button, vehicle maintenance, oil life. So press and hold the OK button until the system reset. Balik ko nga pa. Okay, so kanina po dinala ko siya rito, and kahit naka-press and hold tayo, walang reaction. Ibalik ko po ng 1 level, which is oil life lang lalabas. So dito pa tayo mag-press and hold. Okay, 1, 2, 3, press and hold. Press and hold. Pero pagka-press mo po, pupunta ka agad sa engine oil life. So ibig sabihin hindi po yan. And binitawan ko na po, then press and hold. Okay, 1, 2, 3, press and hold. Ayun, so may nag-open po kasi. Okay, so ayaw din po. I don't know kung ano pa ang susunod dito. So i-try ko na lang po ulit after ng kwan natin. Pero ngayon i-monitor ko po lang po kasi sinubukan naman natin yung recommendation ni Sir Gab na press and hold yung brakes and accelerator for 20 seconds. Pero kaninang ignition na switch on, lumabas pa rin. So ngayon po i-check ko kung lalabas pa kasi gagamitin na lang natin tong sasakyan. Okay? Salamat po.